This is a HMT Priya model, mechanical hand-winding golden dial wristwatch, purchased during the year 1980 by my father. I often forget to wind the dial. I had taken it out after 20 years and found it has stopped spinning. I want to give it a try by powering the watch, through winding. Old vintage is generally wound, via the crown in a singular direction, to wind the inner spring and power the watch. As you can see, this 44 years old watch has come to life and is running for the last 44 years without a service. HMT set up a watch manufacturing factory in Bangalore in collaboration with Citizen Watch, a Japanese company, in 1961 and released the first batch of mechanical, hand-wound, wristwatches by the then Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru. The most popular mechanical watch was HMT Janata. Other mechanical watch styles included HMT Pilot, HMT Jalak, semi-skeletal, HMT Sona, and HMT Braille. HMT watches relied heavily on Japanese technology and expertise, and hence the quality of their watch was outstanding. HMT watches became a symbol of pride and a status symbol for many Indians, and became famous as timekeepers to the nation. As the demand increases, HMT watches also began exporting their timepieces to other countries, further establishing their reputation on the global stage. During the 1970s and 1980s, HMT watches experienced significant growth and became the largest watch manufacturer in India. The company had multiple manufacturing units across the country and employed thousands of workers. HMT watches became synonymous with precision and reliability, and owning an HMT watch was a matter of pride for many Indians. HMT Company ruled the watch market with 90% market share, enjoying the monopoly since its inception. Then why did HMT failed? Bhaskar Bhatt, managing director of Titans Limited, once said, HMT failed to understand that a watch was no longer a timekeeping machine. It was becoming a fashion accessory for both men and women. Consumers wanted a well-designed product to match their style. Aesthetics play an important role in marketing. During HMT period, FARA has restricted foreign brands in India, meaning no domestic company was strong enough back then to defeat HMT. Due to absence of competition for long period, made HMT lethargic, and they have no drive for innovation, product diversification, technological upgradation, quality improvement, and cost reduction. When global giants and domestic watchmakers flooded varieties of watches in Indian market, HMT watches also ventured into the quartz watch segment in the late 1980s. However, in 1990s, unfortunately, HMT was not prepared to face the stiff competition of foreign watch brands offering a wider range of choices for consumers. HMT watches failed miserably in the tough competition from international players who had superior marketing strategies and technological advancements. In 2016, the Government of India announced the closure of HMT due to financial losses and declining sales. The decision marked the end of an era for HMT watches and left a void in the Indian watch industry. Today, HMT watches holds a nostalgic value for many Indians who grew up wearing these timepieces. All the HMT watches are now just vintage HMT watches. While the original HMT watches are no longer produced, their legacy lives on, reminding us of a time when an Indian watch brand commanded respect and admiration. HMT had a wonderful journey, in collaboration with Citizen Watches, to becoming India's largest watch manufacturer. Though original HMT watches are no longer produced, but its partner Citizen Watches are still having a wonderful premium market share in the world. The brand Citizen was first registered in Switzerland by Schmid in 1918 for watches he sold in Japan. Citizen Watch Company is an electronics company, primarily known for its watches, which was founded in 1930 by Japanese and Swiss investors, and is the core company of a Japanese global corporate group based in Nishitokyo, Tokyo, Japan. In addition to Citizen brand watches, it is the parent of American watch company Bulova, and is also known for manufacturing small electronic devices such as calculators.